Welcome to the Osgood Law Library tutorial on accessing law ebooks. This video will provide a broad overview of the major ebook platforms and how to access them. Ebooks are electronic versions of print books. There are many benefits to using ebooks, including remote 24/7 access, full-text searching, downloading, highlighting, and more. To access ebooks, you will need your Passport York user ID and password. Please note that certain ebook platforms have download limits or limit the number of users that can access the ebook simultaneously. This is sometimes indicated in the ebook itself. The Law eBook Guide is a great place to find a list of the ebook platforms that are available. To access the guide, click on Research Guides on the library homepage. Under General Topics, click on Finding Law eBooks. We have listed the major ebook platforms in this guide. Each ebook platform has its own unique coverage and features. I will briefly go through each one and discuss a few of the highlights. Please note that some platforms require you to create a free account in order to access the extra features. First, we will look at Brill Online. Brill hosts three major law ebook collections: Climate Change and Law, Human Rights and Humanitarian Law, and International Law. You can access these collections here through the library catalog or the A to Z database list. Full access titles are indicated by the green open lock icon, while restricted titles display a red lock icon. You can search for specific titles in the search box at the top of the page here, or you can browse through the collection's contents below. Cambridge Core produces academic content from Cambridge University Press and is a host over 2,000 law-related titles that you can download as PDFs, view in HTML, or send to a Kindle. You can also export citations in a variety of citation styles, including the McGill Guide. Elgar Online covers a variety of topics in academic and professional law. From here, you can filter your results on the left side panel to browse through content. Ensure you have selected all accessible content to view titles available in our subscription. Elgar Online also allows you to search within the book, which can be helpful for locating relevant passages or for citations. The eMun platform has casebooks, textbooks, and titles that cover various areas of law, such as criminal law and practice. In order to access eMun to borrow ebooks, you will need to create a free account with Vital Source Bookshelf. This will be linked to your Passport York ID whenever you log in the future. eMun includes the ability to highlight, read aloud, bookmark, search full text, and more. Please note the following access restrictions for eMun in the box below. Hart Publishing includes ebooks on various law topics with a broad range of coverage. Find over 100 titles published with Hart in the library catalog. You can find many ebook collections through Hein Online, including Law in Eastern Europe, Legal Classics Library, Selden Society Publications and the History of Early English Law, and Women in the Law. Find Online includes full-text searching, viewing in PDF or HTML format, and the ability to export citations. Irwin Law has a robust ebook collection of over 270 titles, which you can access through DayLibris. To optimize the platform, create your own individual account and download books to personal devices or save searches. Simply click on the Sign In button and then register. This will allow you to create a personal bookshelf to store, manage, and share highlights, notes, and links. Lexis Events Quick Law has a selection of ebooks, textbooks, legal encyclopedias, and digests available through both a personal Osgood login and York-wide access using your Passport York ID. Read books online or download PDF copies of chapters and texts. The two major Oxford platforms where you can find law ebooks are the Oxford Handbooks and the Oxford Scholarship Collections. Both collections indicate ebook availability using the lock symbol. The green lock indicates the ebook is available, while the red lock means the ebook is restricted or unavailable. We have also included specific ebook titles in the guide that may be useful to you. They are the Oxford International Encyclopedia of Legal History and the Oxford Scholarly Authorities on International Law. To find law ebooks in ProQuest eBook Central, follow these steps. Go to Browse Subjects under the search bar and select Law. If you select a title, it indicates the ebook availability and how much you can download. When you click on Read Online, there are also options to search the full text of the book, cite, highlight, bookmark, and more. Please note that you will need to create a free account with ProQuest to access some of these features. ProView provides a range of e-loose leaves and ebooks on various legal topics. There is the option to browse or search by title. To search for a book or topic, use the magnifying glass on the right side. It will retrieve a list of results along with the pages in the title where the keyword appears. To find law ebooks in Scholars Portal, follow these steps. Enter the search term law and select keyword in the dropdown. Then click on Submit. Once it retrieves a list of results, you can filter your results on the right side by keyword under Refine Your Results. Or you can add another keyword to your search. To access the book, click on the title. As you can see here, it tells you the availability and how many users can use the book simultaneously. It also indicates how many pages can be downloaded. Some other features that are useful is the ability to search the title, cite, and also zoom in and out. In addition to cases and legislation, Westlaw Next Canada has a selection of online materials on various law topics, including books, online encyclopedias, directories, and the McGill Citation Guide. This is available through the personal Osgood or campus-wide login. Please check back regularly as we are continuing to expand our ebook collection. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our contact information can be found under the contact link on the library homepage. We'll be happy to assist you.